Hey everyone guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be guiding you through the steps to complete the background check for Uber Eats. Okay, this is actually a crucial part of becoming a delivery driver. So let's get started guys. First things first, what I want you to do is signing up on the Uber Eats website or app. You basically want to just enter your basic information, including your name, address, and email to just, create an account, right? And next, during the sign up process, what's going to happen is Uber Eats will ask for additional details, like your date of birth, your social security number, and your driver's license information. This is required for the background check. And once you have basically submitted your application, guys, what's going to happen is Uber basically partners with a third party service, typically, Checker, to conduct the background check. So you'll receive an email or app notification asking you to actually consent to the check from Checker, okay? So you want to review and accept the terms and then just wait for the background check to process. It usually takes, around 3 to 7 days, but could take longer depending on your location, guys. And guys, after the check is actually complete, you'll receive an email with the results. And if approved, guys, you're ready to start delivering with Uber Eats. And that's it, guys. Completing your background check is very easy and simple, and it's a key step forward towards hitting that road, guys. So if this guide was helpful, guys, don't forget to like, comment. Of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.